Alright, just coming on here to do a review of this foldable hand truck. It's for moving heavy items easier. So I'm going to unbox it for you guys and then show you how it works. Okay, so it does have a manual included in case you don't know how to use it, but it's pretty self-explanatory. You have this come up. So this can be, it's kind of like a suitcase. You press it at the top and then it will go up higher. So this is what it's like. So you can put any kind of heavy duty item on here. And then you can also move this further out. So that's pretty cool using this. It's definitely kind of like a suitcase. So yeah, this is pretty cool. I'm gonna show you guys me moving something. All right, so say this table is actually kind of heavy, but say it was super heavy. I can secure it on here. And then this is, I believe, the highest the handle goes. But I can just move it like this. Or this way. And then also, cool thing is you can lock the wheels and not let it move. And then unlock it after. So, pretty cool. Definitely recommend it. And this does stand by itself like this, which is pretty nice. So yeah, great little tool. You don't need your husband to come help you with something, or he can even use it if he's moving like a couch by himself or like a sofa or something heavy. And yeah, definitely recommend it for boxes, moving, anything like that. Also wanted to show you guys how easily you can fold it back together. So you just do this, put this down here, and then you move this together, and now it is just a little kind of thing you can just put in your closet for the next time. So great product, go get yours.